Every civilization has been defined by the factories it built. This one was built where gravity no longer exists.
From Earth, it looks impossibly quiet. Inside, it never truly stops working. Every module has a purpose. Together, they operate as a single factory. Everything entering this factory passes through a single gateway. Beyond this point, every journey through the factory begins. Behind these doors, manufacturing in space becomes an entirely different science. Every shipment entering the factory begins here, where nothing moves until every arrival is verified. Without gravity, every movement must be carefully controlled long before the journey begins. Every destination inside the factory begins with intelligent routing. Some materials will never travel the same path. Every production area depends on this invisible flow of materials. Beyond this intersection, the factory begins to reveal how it truly works.
From this point, the factory separates into specialized manufacturing districts, each built for a different purpose.
Not every material behaves the same in space. Neither does every production process. Some products demand environments that never exist on Earth. Every production module operates independently, yet every one depends on the same factory. Seen individually, each module appears isolated. Together, they function as one continuous manufacturing system. Keeping every one of these systems alive requires an engineering challenge unlike any factory on Earth. Before a single product can be made, the factory must first keep itself alive. Every production module depends on the same uninterrupted flow of energy. In space, heat is often a greater challenge than cold. Behind every production line is an invisible network constantly balancing the factory. Without these hidden systems, every manufacturing module would fall silent. Now that the factory is alive, the next question is how it runs without people on every production line.
Every machine inside this factory produces heat. In space, removing that heat is one of the greatest engineering challenges. Instead of blowing heat into the air, the factory carries it away through a closed network of circulating coolant.
The journey ends where the station meets the vacuum of space.
These radiators never generate power. Their only job is to release the factory's waste heat into space.
Without continuous cooling, every production system inside the factory would eventually shut down. Keeping the factory cool is only one challenge. Keeping it operational every hour of every day is another.
Building in space requires more than advanced machines. It requires complete control over the environment surrounding every process.
Every manufacturing zone operates within carefully maintained environmental limits. Tiny particles that seem harmless on Earth can become serious hazards when they never settle. The factory constantly measures its own environment before every manufacturing cycle begins. Only after every condition remains stable can manufacturing continue safely.
With power, cooling, and environmental stability working together, the factory is finally ready to grow beyond its original design.
A factory millions of kilometers from the nearest repair shop must learn to protect itself. Routine inspection prevents small problems from becoming mission-ending failures. Every connection is examined before wear can become damage. Only after inspection confirms the factory's health does normal operation continue.
The strongest factories are not the ones that never fail, but the ones that constantly watch themselves.
Keeping the factory healthy is only part of the story. The next challenge is allowing it to grow. Factories on Earth expand with cranes and concrete. In orbit, they grow one module at a time. Every new section must become part of the factory without interrupting the work already in progress. Alignment happens slowly. Precision matters more than speed. Once connected, structure, power, and cooling become one continuous system. The moment every connection is complete, the factory becomes larger than it was only minutes before. A factory that can grow without returning to Earth changes what manufacturing can become. No factory this complex can operate without a central nervous system. From here, every factory system is monitored as one connected operation. Production never depends on a single module. Every section is continuously balanced against the others. Every critical system is designed to remain operational, even when another requires maintenance.
The true achievement is not building a factory in space. It is keeping every system working together every single day.
Only when every system operates as one does this become more than a collection of machines. It becomes a factory.
Everything you've seen exists for a single purpose: to manufacture where Earth can no longer keep up.
No single module defines this factory. Every system depends on every other.
The factory is no longer just a collection of machines. It has become an industrial ecosystem in orbit. One day, factories like this may supply missions that travel far beyond Earth. The greatest challenge was never building the factory. It was making every system work together, every hour, every day. Every civilization is remembered by what it learned to build. Perhaps one day, it will also be remembered for where it chose to build.